Hey guys, we're back to finish the engineering design process. So let's recap for just a second. Okay, we started with our problem. We found our solution to our problem. We're going to build a new football stadium that solves our safety and seating concerns. We did the research to back this up. Then we designed a solution. And now we're about to do the fun part. We're going to construct a prototype. A product prototype is the first example of design. Prototypes are developed to test design under real conditions. A prototype also can be called a model. And I just made a quick little model just to show you that it's three-dimensional. This would be considered a physical model. There are other kinds of models. Models are used to think about processes that happen too slowly, too quickly, or too small. A scale to observe directly, as well as ones that are potentially dangerous or too large to otherwise study. Models that can be seen and touched are called physical models. Physical models. Engineers also develop mathematical models and graphical models. In many instances, multiple types of models are produced during the development of a product. Maybe they designed one on a computer screen with all the new technology that could actually be three-dimensional looking as well. Limitations of models. When scientists create models, they are using the best information that they have at the time. However, models can be misleading because they might not always work the way a real product works. This can cause dissatisfaction in the final product. And that's why they do the next process called testing and evaluate, because they are going to test the design process. The design must be tested and reviewed. Testing and evaluating the solution allows the engineer to find and correct problems. Sometimes the design is changed. Ideas are always being changed. After evaluation and testing, one solution will be chosen as the best. Okay, so when they go to test out the seating inside the model, they go to check out everything that they would need to evaluate it, then they're going to communicate the results with their team. After testing the model, engineers share the data with other engineers and scientists. The team might need to conduct more research, modify the prototype, and test it again. Engineers may go through this process many times before they develop a model that meets their needs. The final design and prototype are then sent to manufacturing for production. So at this part, this is the part where they decide to go ahead and build it, or they need to, from the model, because everything worked, or they tweak it and they'll change things up a little bit, which will be the redesign stage. And at this part, this is where they're going to change anything about the model, redesign it, throw it out, start all over again. And if they were to start all over again, they would pick back up from this solution right here. And then they would go to construct the prototype. They would build another prototype. And then they would test and evaluate it. They would communicate the results to their team. And then they would build the final product. And we have our final product. We have that awesome rocket field out there. So this is your engineering design processes. These are the stages that you go through, and I look forward to us doing one in class. And also we're going to follow the high school cafeteria process as it goes through, and we'll have another video to showcase that one. Thanks. See y'all soon.